Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome you back again in 4 sessions of value-added course. I hope I'm audible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So without wait, I should start today because I have planned many things. I hope others to join. Is my PPT visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good afternoon once again. I hope you have completed your first exercise. Yeah, can I hear from you? Have you completed your first exercise?
Sir, actually, it was not audible yesterday when you
Huh?
told us to convert. It was not audible when you told us to convert it to mole format. Can you just show it once again?
Yeah, you can be little loudly.
Sir, is it the assignment for converting it into mole format?
Pardon?
So yesterday, before you ended the session, you had asked us something about converting it into mole form. None of us were clear about it.
Oh, that is nothing actually. Once you bring the structure from ISIS draw, right? Okay,
Yes.
and just put in the ChemSketch interface. It will work as a template. Okay.
Once again, can you show us how to do it? Because we couldn't see it at the class ended. Yes.
Okay, fine. Just a second. Okay. So main part is you have to draw the structure in ISIS draw. So there are many provisions are there, menus are there, which will help you to draw the structures. and attach the bond. But only the thing is you have to care little about that while attaching the bond in a common point or in any junction. Make sure that the small square shape should visible. Then only you can attach the bond and all, right? And at a time, only one structure can be drawn. It's clear, right? So now, if you say that if I take any template or from here itself, if I say I have taken this benzene ring, I have attached this is the bond, right? Here is this bond. Likely, if you click on this, first, second, and third bond will be coming like this, right? If you say that I have taken this bond, I have taken this bond here, right? Okay, right. So, and another bond, if suppose here it will be like if second double bond is there, if you click one more time, you see that square is coming. It will be a single bond. If you click one more time, it will be a double bond. So no need to go there and pick that double bond, single bond, and triple bond. If you click here one time, two time, three time, automatically that bond will be incorporated based on their optimizations method. Here, if you say that here, if you want to see double bonds, it will be coming like this, right? You can see here, right?
Sure.
Okay, it's a triple bond like this. Okay, 3 times,
So
right?
I'm not able to see,
Same here, sir. I can't see any structure being drawn.
not able to see your cursor also, sir.
It's not visible.
Not at
Just
all.
the app or
Huh?
the empty page is visible. That's it. And those options at the side.
We can't see a cursor moving.
can't see a cursor
any
moving, nothing.
diagram.
Okay, so 1 second. Is this visible, this one?
So we can't see anything.
Oh, it's not. Okay, fine.
So we can only see that you opened the app and you kept it, but what are you doing on it? We can't see. This we
No,
can see.
you tell me, my software screen is not visible or something else?
And now a cyclohexane.
Now we can see, sir.
Now you can see.
Cyclohexane.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay,
And you can see
fine.
your cursor also.
Fine.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you want to attach here, this structure is in selection mode, right? Anytime you can remove this, right? And if you want to attach any bonds, you try first, don't use the template and all first, right? This is the learning mode now. You draw the structure manually, right? So for taking the bonds, double bond and triple bonds, now here option is there. What I was suggesting you, just click on this one time, it will be double bond. Another time it will be triple bond like this. Are you getting? So anytime you can be like, use these things. Now is double bond, single bond, double bond, right? So you can see here, you can see here. So this is the, okay, fine. So here bond should be single and this. Now hexane I made the benzene, right? Yes. Hexane I made the benzene, right? So what I have given the demonstration yesterday, how to convert 2D structure into 3D. It's clear. So here is control A, you do in ISIS interface, control A. Now the structure has been selected, right? After that, even you can do by using your laptop, control C, or you can use here itself, edit, select all option will be there, then copy, right? Whatever you are like comfortable, you can do it. So now I have like copied this structure after drawing. This is a small example I am giving to you. Yes, I just copied here. Now I have to go again to that, what you say, ChemSketch interface. Share ChemSketch interface. Now can you see the ChemSketch? This is another software where we use for conversion purpose. means 2D structure to 3D. Whatever we have drawn the structure in ISIS draw, na, that is 2D structure. Now we have to convert into 3D, right?
Yes.
And that also optimized 3D structure should be there. So for that, I have asked you to go to the edit option, edit, and these also steps as mentioned in your hands-on lab manual. Yes, if you might have seen.
Yes, sir.
So now you go to the paste structure. Possibly you can write it, edit, because there in ISIS interface we have already copied. Now here is we have to paste the structure in ChemSketch interface. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, once you click in the structure, you can see that template is there in your cursor. Your cursor is carrying the template. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Right? And this template has come from ISIS draw. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Fine?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can put it here. Just drop it. I have dropped same structure. But this structure still is 2D structure. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you think about this structure is optimized or it should be optimized? Their valency should be satisfied.
No balance.
Balance is satisfied.
It's not satisfied. How do you say that?
Satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
It is, sir.
It is satisfied, sir.
It is satisfied.
It is satisfied. How? Here is carbon is there. Carbon is there. In each point, 6 carbon is there, na?
So H will also come.
H will also come, na?
But
The
the
valency, what is the carbon valency?
But it's understood, no, sir.
4, right? So how many bonds are there in each
Sir, it's
carbon?
understood, no, sir, that H will come.
yes, sir.
H will come, but it's not there.
So we have to
But
draw.
sir, when we drew cyclohexane, already we know that hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon, no, sir, but single bonds.
Yeah.
So doesn't the system already know that hydrogen is already there? Why should we?
Just we think, but the software doesn't understand. We have to give the programming. We think it's optimized, right? But we have to justify the valency in terms of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10 and all, right?
So, sir, when we choose a benzene in ISIS draw, won't it be satisfied there, or even there we'll have to start drawing H, hydrogen?
Yeah, but that is the template only is given. That is the template only is given.
So,
Okay.
so the system is simply drawing one hexagon. It's not knowing that it's cyclohexane or that it's benzene. We have to do that.
Yeah, you have to draw. There's some templates there which help you to draw. It's not like it's already drawn structure.
Okay. That means it doesn't even have an idea that it's carbon. It doesn't know if it's exactly a benzene ring.
Yes. No,
Okay.
that some templates will be there, some symbols will be there, which will help you to draw. It's not like it's all optimized structures are there. It's not optimized structures.
So if the system doesn't, like if the software doesn't know about the valency and that benzene should have hydrogen, how is it able to run the chemical inspector and tell us whether the compound is correct or not?
Yeah, you can run the chemical inspector, then only it will justify if suppose if valency is not satisfying in any place, the hydrogen bonds will, like hydrogen atom will add, like I'll show you example here. Here I'm adding that hydrogen atoms. So
So
you can see the
without
3D.
adding hydrogen atom, what will be your chemical inspector say, sir? It will say valency is not satisfied.
Chemical inspectors only will see that either your bond is missing and bond is properly attached or not, any atoms are missing and bonds are correctly placed or not. This only chemical inspector will do it. Nothing else. Right?
So once run chemical inspector on this one, no, sir. Will it come?
That
will come
ISIS
wrong?
draw only. ISIS draw only we can run it.
Okay.
You see that here bond is there, na? Here one bond, one single bond is there, one is there, right? If you run the chemical inspectors, see, here it will be, some problem will be there. Recheck it, right? And some explanation will come. Check selected object or something you select it. Run the chemical inspectors. Molecular weight is coming 108.
That's correct only. If molecular weight is coming, that means it's correct only. So we don't have to add hydrogen then.
Yes.
If molecular weight is coming, that means the compound is correct only, no sir?
1 second. Yeah, molecular weight is coming. All things are correct, but only the thing is, before taking any structure should be neutralized.
Sir, but like how Neha pointed, we don't have to say that there's hydrogen. We already know that there's hydrogen, no sir, and it's coming as correct also.
Yes, yes, hydrogen is there. You can see that here. How many here carbon is there? How many bonds are there?
3.
Huh?
3 carbon bonds and 1 hydrogen bond is there, sir.
One hydrogen bond will be there. That must be there, na? For satisfying the carbon valency, right? What is the valency of carbon?
4.
4. So how many are there here?
There is an invisible bond detecting hydrogen.
Huh? Okay. So now if you say that here, it's very simple concept actually. Now if you see that here, if suppose it's a satisfied, if you feel like it's a satisfied, hydrogen bond should not be attached, right? Right? Here I am optimizing these things here. You can say that hydrogen bond has been attached.
Okay.
Can you see here?
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now it's not like a bond order. It's a justifying the valency of the carbon. It's a justifying the valency of the carbon. Even that benzene rings was giving 108 molecular weight. By keeping that hydrogen bond is there, including with benzene only. Including the formula weight, molecular weight only. Benzene's molecular weight is 108 and the output is 108 something, right? As given, because the compound which we have drawn is the benzene. But here I am talking about the justifying each atom's valency, right? The molecular weight is given by keeping these things hydrogen, even that 6 hydrogen, almost it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And molecular weight of hydrogen, how much is there? 1 point something? Yes, right? So that will only it will the 0.6 something, 6 will increase, right? Okay, that is the small changes will be there. Benzene we have drawn, molecular weight will be given. Yes. Okay, once is clear or not for you?
Yes, sir.
Here we are talking about the valency of that each atom's valency. Many times we need to justify, right? What is the nitrogen valency, oxygen valency?
2.
Okay, then 2, right? Okay.
Yes.
And nitrogen?
3.
Nitrogen?
3.
3, right? So all these things is used for justifying the valency only. Yes. So now still you can see here is a 2D structure interface. Your 2D structure. Now these things should be converted into 3D, right? So for this we have to take here, you can say the 3D viewer is there, right? So you take this structure in 3D interface. So now you can say here your structure is in 3D. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
It can be even more optimized. It's clear, right? And even that you can justify here is that in different possible rendering methods, it depends upon how you are visualizing your things, space fill models and the ballistic models and something. These all are rendering methods, how you are visualizing your structure. It's clear. Even you can map that molecular distance between the two atoms in terms of this. You click here, right? And then angle between 3 atoms,
We are not able to see
4
your
atoms, right? Yes, please.
So
Screen
we are not able.
Cursor cannot
The
be
screen is
seen.
not visible.
sharing.
Your cursor is not moving.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. After you pointed at 3D viewer, it's frozen.
3D viewer screen is visible or not?
So your screen is visible, but whatever you're doing, it's not visible.
So you're moving your cursor, no sir. We're not able to see the movement. We can just see
Movement
the
you are not able to see in 3D, right? So in 3D space, you can see here the file, edit, view, tools option, and these all other things are there, right?
The screen
Yeah.
the screen is not moving.
So we are still in the last one, so the way it was.
Screen is paused.
Yeah, screen is paused. Yeah, there's no sharing. I think you disabled the screen sharing.
Oh, one second. One second. The problem is if I click, it is getting paused. I feel like. How about now? Okay, how about now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, if I click on the screen, it will go in pause mode. That is the problem in 3D viewer. Okay, anyway, you use these things, right? But actually, I'm not going to demonstrate these things. It will be little tough for you, right? I just use this screen, this software to convert 2D to 3D. Now you can see the 3D structure is there in your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now this
Yes,
3D
sir.
structure can be saved into mol format. Make your directory, make your folder somewhere in desktop or in your proper directory, wherever you want. Go to the file, save as. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Save as. And here in drop down menu, there are many forms are there. One is that mol format is there. Another is the MOPAC format is there. Another CML file is there, right? So better if I suggest you in two format you have to say one by one. This is structure. We'll be using in next step these two format, right? Okay. One is the mol format, MDL mol file. This is the 3D structure is in extension. Their extension is .mol, right? So this one, if you want to make one folder, is called that mol file and put it in desktop. I say I'll be keeping these things in one folder in desktop. In desktop, I make mol file, right? It's clear? In mol file, I'll just give the structure name. Whatever you are drawing, I say that structure 1 in mol format. Just save it. It's clear? I will show you now. Again, you go to the save as option. Again, you save these things in another directory. It's called that, I say that MOPAC file. I'll be using this file later stage. MOPAC file extension is .mob, mob Z matrix. Can you see here? right? So you make this folder here. Sorry, desktop, it was in desktop. Here, MOPI file. 1.mop and save it. So 2 file I want. After drawing this structure, taking into in KMSK 3D structure, convert into 3D structures and then save into mol and as well as in MOPEC format. You may think all these things can be done in KMSketch also. That is true. Because here is this also that 2D structure interface. You can draw this here. Can you see my screen? All things you can draw here itself. But here is heavily crowded. For you, it will be a bit tough you to draw the structure, isn't it? Sometime you will be using mouse, sometime you will be using your pad or whatever. So it will be like, it's very heavily crowded. Here atoms are there, everything's there. Same thing you can do here also. But I thought instead of doing these things, I will just demonstrate one more software you to understand. Even you can try after, you can try here itself, right? Isn't it? So like if suppose if I say that if I use here is a delete option, delete for all, or you can delete entirely, right? I say I use template here, template window, you go to the template window. Here also template window is there. And you say the carbohydrate. I use this carbohydrate, suppose this one, template. I have put it. You can see the template here.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's pause again.
I think the screen's frozen again.
Oh my God. So, okay, resume. Yeah, the problem is that if I click on this, it's getting paused. But whatever I have planned today, I don't think I will be able to deliver. Anyway, I'll just. Okay, now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can draw like if you have a like KMSketch things, sorry, ISIS draw things, easily you can use these things also. These are the rotation things. These are that smile notation things. Writing the equations and all, right? Bond orders are there. These are that items are there, right? Okay. And moreover, you can use the template. So this entire thing you can copy to 3D. Here you can say the copy to 3D. Right? It's clear. Here KMSketch is there. We forgot to optimize it. You optimize it. Copy to 3D. Here itself you can optimize the structure. So optimizing now you can say that valency, hydrogen attached in the carbon to justify their valency. That's alone. It doesn't think about like molecular weight and all. If you calculate molecular weight by using the software, definitely it will give because you have defined the benzene or some compound, right? Because the software's inbuilt functions are there. Once it's drawn, when it's shown, it will show that programming is like that. It will show that molecular weight. It's clear. So now the same things you can do it. The file save as option. It depends. I'll just show you. I have shown you one example. That's alone. Right? Okay. It's clear for you. These two softwares.
Yes, sir.
Or you need more demonstration from my end. If you have any question, you can ask. Actually, our work should be like done. That's it. Because if you use more things, that is good actually. That is not going to harm you. Right? Later stage, we'll be using these things by mapping the molecular weight, distance and all. Because why I'm not discussing now? Because I didn't teach you.
Okay, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask. You just take the cursor. You see the auto rotate is there. This auto rotate is coming. Here the option is that auto rotate. And even manually you can rotate it. Auto rotate and change the style. Their confirmation. You see that.
Oh, yeah,
These all
cursor
these
stuck
things is
again.
happening because I have given the instructions. And during the simulation and all, the molecule will change their behavior accordingly. Due to this effect, it will disturb other molecule also, other bond orders and all. Only we have 10 minutes in our hand. Right?
Yes, sir.
Is clear? Shall I close this? If you have
Yes,
any
sir.
question, you can ask it. You see that here, changing that. Anything we can change accordingly. Right? You can say that. This something is happening, right? So we'll see the behaviors of this type of thing in later stage. Even that you can see like now you want to like calculate if you come to the sketch, go to that tools option properties, calculate properties, all properties. So all properties of this molecule you can see here. Molecular formula, is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Molecular formula, formula weight, composition, molar refractivity, molar volume, index surface density, dielectric constant, polarity, and many more are there. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So these are the tools if you do now, because being as bioinformatician, as I told you, I was first batch in India. Nobody is taught is nobody is given the demonstration. This is only our effort, which we have made it by doing something here, there, then we have learned it, right? Even I believe like if you use, right, you can learn by your own. There are only two possibilities will be there. You will not get output or you will get output. In both the cases, you should not, if you get output, you will be little happy, right? And if you are not getting output, you should be happy also because you should rectify. You're getting? Okay, in both the cases, you should be happy. So by that way, you will be learning, right?
Yes, sir.
So there are many tools are there. If you say that generate their surfaces, smile notations, that is the representations of the molecule. This will be looks like this. Yeah, this is the smile notation. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Like all the
Yes, sir.
items will be in parenthesis. Means order will be in that parenthesis. So here is that this OC is connected with this C and then double bond is there. So this is smile notation. So if you use that, main important thing is the tool, right? And then generate another inchai option, inchai of this structure for structure. This is the inchai. You can see here. This is the inchai. Inchai is the international chemical identifier of the compound. Only few minutes are there. I am not going to start another. I have planned to discuss about more detail in computer-aided drug design today, and I prepared that PPTs for that also. I don't think if I start, I will be able to complete. Now, 3, 4, 5 minutes are there. Right? So if you go to the 3D structures, so like that, if you go to the tools, right? So you can say that there are many options are there. Change distance, 3D optimization, that things you can do here itself, right? And view rendering methods, as I told you this one, right? Only this type of options are there.
No.
If you say that,
But
stop,
the
yes?
screen stuck, sir.
Again, screen problem. Yeah. Is it okay now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The rendering. Surely.
So now you can see that some surfaces are there,
Mm-hmm.
right? In that, and you can map this distances also between the two atoms. If you select, and if you select, you say that between two atoms distances are 1.386 angstrom. Two atoms been selected, right? Can you see here,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
right? And the new value is 1.386 angstrom. Cancel it. So now this is the molecular distance, bond length, you say the bond length between two atoms. We have to map. And bond length between three atoms, that will be the angular distance. Yes?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
So for that angular distance, you can take this one and then click three atoms. 1, 1, 2, and 3. Now you can say that 63.435 degree centigrade. Oh, sorry, degree, not centigrade. Right? Yes? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
called the angular distances between the three atoms. I didn't plan to show you these things because these things I'll just, my teaching is little different. I just give full space to student to learn, because you have to put your effort to learn, right? You use all these things and try to learn, right? If you have any problem in any things, you just can discuss with me here itself, questions, that I'll help you, right? So similar way, if we talk about the four atomic distance, 4 atom distance, that will be that dihedral terms, torsional terms. Are you getting or not? Like 3 atoms are there. If I don't think if it's my mobile phone is visible for you.
No.
My mobile phone is visible for you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you see that 4 atoms are there. 4 atoms in all the corners. 4 atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 4 atoms will be in move. It's not like advertisement. Don't think advertisement. Right. So now if you want to move 4 atoms, so some center torque should be there to see the movement of 4 atoms, right? So it will be like this. Yes. Then only 4 atoms will move, right? Are you getting or not? And easily you can understand the torsional terms. Torsional. Oh, one force is there, right? Torsional term. So for that torsional angle, 4 atoms need to be selected, right? So I'm selecting 4 atoms. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And 4 atoms. Now you can say that 4 atoms, their degree is 0. Why? Because these are in the one plane, coplanar, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Their top. It's clear,
Yes, sir.
right? So these are the options, you can use it easily. You can understand, right? Now I'll show you, if I have time to demonstrate you. In Chemsketch, you come here. So here you can see that here also that rotation option is there. Slowly you take the cursor on any menu, any icon. No? It will
I
show
think
you
the
what is
screen
this.
frozen
Huh?
again.
Again, I have to share it. Only 1 minute time is more, I believe. Yeah, now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see here. So these are the options here is there, right? Here all these atoms are there. You can take the items and you can change it, and you can use your keyboard also. I'm not showing because only 1 minute time is there remaining, right? These are the bonds. These are the bonds are there. This is single bond, double bond, right? Triple bonds. And these are that how we are using that notations, right? These are the rotations and all, right? and template as well is here. Tools are there, right? And these tools are also is mentioned here also, right? Isn't it? This is 3D window. This is optimization techniques, adding the hydrogens, right? So these are the rotations. Philip rotation means like this, right? Okay. Rotations and the 360 rotations, it will be like this. So many more things you can do it, right? So suddenly it will exist. If you have any question, you can ask now.
No, sir.
Because suddenly it will exist. Even I don't notice. Daily it's happening. Now
So
one
can
more
you,
half minute is there. Huh?
So for ChemSketch, can you send the software on the Google Classroom like how you send for ISIS?
Already